Hello everyone, welcome to the Key Art and Design channel. Today we'll be talking about the online registration portal of Uceed 2022. As you all have already known this fact, online registration starts on September 9th, 2021. Online registration with regular fee ends at 10th October 2021 and with late fee it ends at 17th October 2021. So we have to register with our email ID and contact details. We can do it with the option of sign in directly with Google, or else we can directly write the email ID. So the registered email ID will be flashed on your screen. Next option, which is date of birth, we can write the date of birth manually or either select with the calendar provided. And next is the question. It requires a secret answer. What is your favorite sport? Your secret answer will help you log into the email ID if in case you forget your password. So the next window shows that an email with the reset password URL has been sent to the email specified by you. Kindly click on the URL. So you will be receiving an email on your email ID. On clicking on that link, you can reset your password and you can use that password to log in to the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay website in order to fulfill the registration process. Okay, so this is the window. When you click on the link provided in your email ID, this specific window will open up. The registered email ID which you had stated before will flash. Now you have to set a new password according to your own wish. Confirm that password. This is the home page. So the login details, it requires the email ID and then the password you have set. Okay, so this is the first window. So the eligibility check for UC 2022, the very first window which opens up when you have to register for the UC paper, it is the eligibility check. So the birth category, there are multiple options. The DOB, date of birth, we have to select. Okay, so moving forward, just let me put so now it is the year of qualifying, like the year you have passed class 12th. It should be either 2022 or 21. I have selected 21. Your mobile number. Now there is an option of mobile verification. You have to click on that and you will be receiving an OTP on your mobile phone, which you have to enter on the window. Here is the option. Here's the bracket where we have to enter the OTP. Okay, so the very first window is candidate information. I'm filling it up. It requires the first name, the middle name or the last name. If in case you don't have the middle name, you should just keep it blank. So there's a question, have you ever changed your name? I'll just say no. And then it is gender, male, female or other. We have to select any one of them. Birth category, OBC or any other, OBC, SC, ST, etc. Details will be already filled up. Alternate mobile number, it requires the alternate mobile number. Okay, so there's an option of Indian national or foreign national, yes or no. So I've just selected yes. The address, it requires the address, so I've filled up the address, district and city, town, passcode as well. So we can select the passcode. This information will already be filled. Otherwise you will have to manually fill them up. Next it is qualifying examination, which is 10+2 or equivalent. Year of passing, it should be either 2021, 2022, the stream, and then the school name or college name. I'll just write DPS. We have to state the school address. Okay, so the next information that needs to be filled is exam city choice. We have 3 different choices. I'll just select these. Okay, so the next window, it requires the photo of the candidate. The photo should be between the size of KB to 100 KB, and it should be within the last 6 months. It should be taken within the last 6 months only. The next information it requires the photo of the signature. That's the size stated here is 2 KB to 50 KB, and it should be on white paper. Okay, so the proof of birth, it requires the age proof. It should be either SSC certificate, passport, or birth certificate. I'll just go with the birth certificate. The size should be 30 KB to 50 KB, and it should be in PDF format. The next window is qualifying exam certificate. Students or candidates who have passed class 12th in the year 2021 have to attach the pass certificate, or else the scorecard. The people who are appearing for the 2022 10+2 papers have to attach an appendix which has been given here. It should be signed by the school, and the file is supposed to be in PDF format. Okay, so the next window will show you all the details you have filled up. Okay, so the next window which will open up is the registration fee, which is INR 3500. We can directly click on the make payment and submit button and make the payment. Once the payment has been made, we can directly go to the print registration form window, print the form as a PDF or else as a hard copy printout. That is all that there is to the Uceed 2022 registration portal. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button and also subscribe to the Key Art and Design channel. Thank you so much.